What's up, guys? This is Benjamin with y'all. Today I'm gonna be replacing this sensor because it's been leaking. I've been noticing my AC was kind of on the warmer side, so I checked that and there's a leak right here. It's actually leaking from inside the sensor, and it's kind of getting in the harness there. So I'm gonna be replacing that real quick. So all you do is just grab a 14, and unscrew it or untighten it. There's a Schrader valve inside, so it shouldn't leak anymore. So yeah, it's easy, it's quick. As you guys can see, it was kind of leaking from inside. Let me get the new one real quick. Got it off of Amazon. There's the part number. Let's get to it. You don't want to over tighten it because it is aluminum, so we're just gonna clean up that connector, plug it back in, and top off the Freon. So I just sprayed the connector with a little bit of brake clean. Should be all right. Dries up pretty quick. Wipe it down. Let's just hook it back in. And that's it. Now I just gotta hook up the gauges and top it off. As you guys can see, it's kind of low. Just gonna top it off real quick. A little bit low, but it's better now. It took the whole can. So that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna might top it off a little bit more, but we'll see. If it's blowing pretty cold right now. So I guess please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I got an explanation video coming soon as to why I haven't posted. So look out for that one. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one.